How to open or create Humana account. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then in search address bar, go to the humana.com, or you can also type down Humana account, register or sign up for the easier access. So here you can simply tap on the Humana account sign up page at the top, or you can also go to the home page. Here we are simply navigating to the home page for now. There you can see sign in button available at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And once you do so, all you have to do is tap on the get started button available on your screen if it pops up. Now there select your member type, whether you are Medicare, Medicaid or all other members. Then enter your email address, create a username and password. For Medicaid members, ensure you choose Medicaid when asked and any special instructions appear if applicable. Then you will receive a confirmation email, and all members should finish this step before signing in. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.